Hi, Nursing 210. I hope you're having a good start to your weekend. Professor Gleckler and I have gotten a couple of emails saying that students could not hear the voice on the voice over PowerPoint. I'm hoping this little tutorial will help. Unfortunately, because this is the free version of the video software that I'm using, I can't record the audio that is on the voice over PowerPoint. I hear it, you can't. I love you guys, but I'm not going to spend $100 so you can hear my voice, but it does work. So if you can see my cursor, get back here. Okay, right here. I put it on the little speaker icon. The little speaker icon is in every slide. Come here. Okay. Bring it over. Temperamental. Okay. See this bar? See this little triangle? You press the triangle and it starts playing for you. It will not play automatically. You need to click on the speaker in every single slide in this PowerPoint presentation and part 2 as well. All right, so let me show you again. Over the speaker, little hand comes out, click on the triangle, and you hear my voice. You can't hear it, but I can hear it. I don't think it works on phones or tablets. I think you have to use a computer. I'm hoping this will help. All right, everybody, have a good long weekend, and we'll see you in Lab Tuesday. Bye now.